Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about new date picker in Power BI. This feature is available in June 2026 Power BI desktop update. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So as this feature is in preview, so first we have to enable it. So we'll go to the file and in file option and setting. In option and setting, I'll click on the option and here I will go to the preview features and just scroll down and here you can see date picker slicer to set relative and manual date range. So if it is not enabled on your Power BI desktop, so you have to enable, click OK and save the Power BI desktop file and reopen it. So I have already enabled, so I'll click on cancel. But before that, if your Power BI desktop is not updated to June 2026, then you have to update it first. Then you will see this option, date picker option. So I have already enabled, so I'll click on cancel. And now I'll go to the Power BI visual gallery and here I will add a one line chart. From the data model, I will add date on x-axis and I'll say as a date, and from the cells table I will add total cells on y-axis, so you can see the day wise total cells. Now I will add a one slicer here from Power BI visual gallery, and now from the data model I will add date actually from the date dimension as a field to this slicer. So you can see this slicer is populated with the date value. Now I will go to the setting for this slicer and I will directly go to slicer setting. I'll click here and you will see one new option called date picker. So you have to select the date picker. Now let's see what is the magic actually. So for if I will click here, it will open a one calendar like this. So data till in this data set is the till December 2019. Okay, so it is showing the last day actually, last month actually. So for example, I want to display a data from 16 to 31st. So I'll just simply click here. So it will be selected. Now I'll drag. Okay, now I'll drag. And now I want to stop here 30. So I'll click again here and just click apply. So you can see the data from the 30th December 16 to 30th December. Okay, similarly from here you can clear this slicer. And for example, I want to select a data from November, 1st November to 15 November. So first I will click here. So this is the my 1st November. And now I'll simply drag and I'll go to till 15 and I'll click here. And again I'll click apply. So you can see the data from the 1st November to 15 November. Let me clear again actually, and here there is another option called relative. So for example, if you want to select a data for the last 1 month actually, so last 1 month and I'll say offset 0, so it will show data from the 1st December 1st December to 30th December 2019. You are here, you can see from 1st December to 31st December. For example, if you want a one upset offset actually, so you just say -1 and click on apply and you will see the November data from the 1st November to 31st November. So this is about the date picker. That's all for this video and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.